Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Margaret, aka Ahoufe Maggie. If you're a new visitor, thank you for joining us. And if you're a returning visitor, welcome back. Last week was my birthday. So thank you everyone who wished me a happy birthday. It was a lovely birthday. I spent it socially distanced, but with my family, with my husband's family, and they threw a beautiful party for me. I'll probably put some clips in, and I really had a great time. I loved it. I felt very pretty, felt very happy, felt very fulfilled, and I'm very excited about this next chapter of my life, next decade. So thank you very much. Getting right into this video. Today's video is basically, I'm gonna call it Beauty Gurus, Please Help Me. So as you can see, I'm very barefaced right now on this camera because I've just washed my face, have no makeup on, and I'm just gonna do my everyday makeup that I normally do for videos. And I want the beauty gurus to come in the comments, react whatever you need to do, but teach me, help me do my makeup better. So, oh, and also I got my hair braided. I got my hair done by SHEA Pristine Touch. She's in London. If you are in the North London area, I'll put her info below. Hit her up. She does great braids. Anyways, so I've washed my face. I washed my face with African black soap. So I've washed my face so it's all nice and clean, and I've moisturized it with shea butter, just basic shea butter, because I'm a shea butter baby. Anyways, so the first thing I normally do with my makeup routine is I use primer. So I use this primer from Maybelline. I like it because it's cheap and it's good. Well, I find it good. I'm, again, not a makeup guru, so I don't know what's good or not good, but it goes on nice for me. I have to really squeeze it. So this thing is almost done. Lord have mercy. Oh, Lord have mercy. Okay, got some. Just gonna dot a little bit of primer. Sorry if I'm off camera because I'm looking at myself in the screen over here. So I'll come back to you every now and then, but I'm just gonna look at my face as well, just for a mirror. So I just kind of like put the primer all over my face like lotion. If it's wrong, let me know. Beauty gurus, I need you to react to this video. Put me in the little corner and just fix me. Thank you, because going forward, I want my makeup to be snatched on a daily. On the daily. So I'm counting on you. Next thing I do is I take my concealer, which is NARS. The NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the color Hazelnut. So I take a bit and I just put under my eye. Then I put a bit on my chin, a bit here, and a bit here. Just like to catch the light, I guess. That's what they say. I mean, that's all I be doing. And then, while that's kind of like setting, I will brush my eyebrows into place. So I have a super cheapy eyebrow pencil spoolie thing. Where is it? Here it is. That I got either at Superdrug or at the beauty supply, one of them. And I just take the little spoolie brush and brush my eyebrows into place. I don't do nothing special. Nothing special. And then I just take the little end and color it in a little bit because my ends of my eyebrows can be a bit sparse. What is that? Some shea butter. And then get this bit too. As you can see, I have little discoloration and marks on my face, but who doesn't? So I'm actually not too bothered by them. I feel like I have a nice texture skin, so I don't really bother myself too much with my dark marks. Anyways, so then next what I do is I take my brush. I know you're supposed to use like a beauty blender, but I need a new beauty blender. I don't want to put the old one on my face, so I need to buy a new one. So I just take a foundation brush, which I probably shouldn't take, and I just hit the high points. Oh, as you can see, I didn't put any foundation on my face. Beauty gurus, you might not like it, but I don't put foundation on my face really. I just do concealer and powder. That's me on the daily. Every now and then, if I'm going all out, I might put foundation, but I'm truly a concealer and powder type of girl. So I just like blur it out a bit. Blur it out. Blur, 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 blur. Blur, blur, blur. That looks scary. And then I hit under the eyes. hit under the eyes. If you guys like these kind of videos, let me know, because I can do these like kind of get ready with me type videos and talk, because I like to talk. I have a lot I could talk about. If you want me to do like more unstructured, let me know. I don't mind. Even though structures can be easier, because when you're busy, it helps you make sure you don't waste people's time, because I don't like wasting you guys' time. I want you all to enjoy my videos and to have a good time watching them, because I actually really like interacting with you guys via video. Okay, so the next thing I had to do, so now my face looks crazy, as you can see, because I have all concealer, nothing. I don't contour either. I just let my own dark bits be the contour, if that makes sense. Oh no, maybe that's not right. But anyways, now I take my Studio Fix powder from MAC. This is so old. You can't even see the Studio Fix on it. This thing is old. Anyways, so I take that from MAC, take the little thing that come with it, girl, and I just clean up the edges. I just basically finally put some powder on all the naked parts that have not had any product on it. And that kind of blends out the concealer. I don't worry too much about my lip because I'm going to put makeup on it, so fine. It just kind of blends it out. Put a bit on my eyelids because I don't wear eyeshadow. I'm telling you, I'm a concealer and powder girl. Gurus, come help me. But make it really easy. Because if it has too many steps, I might not do it. Okay, so I continue with the powder. Now I usually move from this thingy to, oh, something went in my eye, Lord. To my like bigger powder brush. So then and go ahead and blend. I try to bring it down to the neck, so my neck is not a different color. But I keep my makeup real simple, so I don't got the time. Anyways, so now I feel kind of pretty because I have like a nice even base. As you can see, you know, some of my natural flaws are still showing through because I have not done any kind of full beat, but at least like under the eyes highlighted. Quarantine nails. Under the eyes highlighted. My eyebrows are, no, I hardly did anything to them. All I just basically brushed them. My lips still look a little crazy, but sorry, I'm about to put some lipstick on. But yeah, you know, my face looks a bit more one color. You know, I have a double color thing going on. And that's my base done. So now the next thing to do is, if I'm feeling saucy, a bit of blusher. I can find it. Oh, found it. Basic blush. My UK girls know what this is. Oh, I don't even have a blush brush with me. I'm just going to use a powder brush because I can't be bothered. My UK girls know what this is. It doesn't even have the, I don't even know if you can read it. It's sleek. So this is sleek powder in Sahara. It's a nice like orangey, nice black girl friendly powder. So go ahead and just put a little bit on my cheeks. Okay, now moisturize my lips a little bit because they're a little dry. Before I put on my lipstick. Now I'm gonna wear, oh, let me do my mascara first. I'm gonna do my mascara first before I do my lipstick. Okay, where is my mascara? For mascara, I use Great Lash by Maybelline. Basic, but so good. I actually really like this mascara. It's really, really affordable, drugstore. And I really try to get in on my eyelashes. So I don't like wearing fake lashes, but I love the fake lash look. So I just try to like overdo my mascara. Sorry that I keep looking back and forth between you guys and myself because I just need to like see where I'm placing this. I'm one of those weird people that does mascara with her eyes open. Do you guys do that? If you do, comment below. If you like this video, share it with a friend. And give me a like button. I mean, press the like button. Because that's really nice of you to do that. Okay, final thing now. This is always my coup d'etat. I keep my lipsticks in my purse. So my lipsticks are always in my purse. That's where I'm always going to look for my lipsticks. I tend to like a red lip, a nudie pink purple or purple lip. Today I'm gonna go with my favorite red lip. I'm gonna go with my favorite red lip today. Oh, I picked up Velvet Teddy, which is not my favorite red lip, but that's one of my favorite nude lips, Velvet Teddy. It's really nice. It's from MAC and it's lovely. Black and dark skin girl friendly. Anyways, let me find my favorite red lip because I prefer wearing red. Okay, I've misplaced my red lip. Let me find it. Where did I put it? Be right back. Okay, back, found it. I need a bit of water. Yes, so I have my favorite red lip. It is called Lady Danger. I don't know if it's focusing. Is it focusing? Whatever. It's called Lady Danger from MAC. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. I used to be a Ruby... I used to be a Ruby Woo girl until I found Lady Danger. Love Lady Danger because it has orange undertones. And I have a bit of an orange undertone to my skin, so I think it complements really well. And ends up not even really looking red, but more of like a classic-y, nice lip. I like it. And it tones... It goes on a bit bright, but it tones down, in my opinion. Whatever, I like it. But beauty gurus, let me know. Anyways, that's my face done. Beauty gurus, you saw what I did. You saw from step 1 to the end. Let me know if I made any glaring mistakes. Let me know if there are places that I can improve. I know there's probably tons of places I can improve, but easy fixes will be preferable because that's actually what's going to fit into my lifestyle. Because if it has too many steps, girl, I'm not going to do it. So thank you again for showing me so much love for my birthday. Thank you so much for, you know, subscribing and supporting me along this journey. I'm actually really, really happy with how my YouTube channel has done so far. And it's only been like not even 2 months. So I'm really, really happy and just checking there's no lipstick on my lips. I'm really happy and just really excited to continue to create and interact with you all. So please comment, talk to me, follow me on Instagram. On Instagram, for the last month, I've been going live every day and it's meant to be going live for 30 days. So I'm going to carry on until the 7th of June every day. But after that, I'll be doing lives once a week. And I have really, really juicy, informative, valuable lives coming up soon. I have a live coming up on the 30th of May, which is like tomorrow, sorry. The 31st of May, which will be a preparing to buy your first house live with one of my favorite aunties ever, who is a real estate agent for Century 21 Excel Real Estate, which happens to be my mother's real estate company. I'll put the information below. She's going to be doing an IG live about how to get ready to buy your first house. That is going to be going live on the 31st of May, but it'll be on my IGTV if you miss it and you see this later. So go ahead and follow me on Instagram at Ahoufe. I was about to say .com, at Ahoufe Maggie. Also, the following week, we're going to be doing investing with you and investing for your children. So Tasha from Shares TV is going to be our special guest on that one, telling us all about how to invest for your kids, how to help the kids get that money. So that should be great. And then after that, we have another IG live with Cassandra of Prodigy Foods, who is a boss woman, a Ghanaian American girl who's made $50,000 selling shito on the internet. Shito is Ghanaian black pepper, shito and spices. She is amazing. She's going to be on, as well as another young lady called Mame, who has children's books and a skincare line and 3 kids. So they're going to be coming on and telling us about how to build an online successful business. And then finally, we also have a great live coming up about how to invest by yourself and with your partner. So all of those lives are going to be coming. They're in the pipeline. I have lots of good content coming for you guys. So please follow me on Ahoufe Maggie on Instagram. I also have other brands that will be linked to that Instagram. You all can just go ahead and look for those. But you can find them via my Instagram. But thank you so much. I really, really love coming on here. I love talking to you guys. And I really love when you interact with me. So thank you, thank you, thank you. If you like this video, like, subscribe, and share with a friend. Bye.